Hello everyone, this is my review of the Crayola Broad Line Markers. These markers is 10 of them in a pack, very colorful. You can see the colors back here. You can read those off. I'm going to show you what the markers look like in a minute. Hopefully you will be able to read that. I'm going to open up the package now and show you the markers. So you have all the basic colors that you need, and I'm gonna try and take the cap off of one of these and show you the marker. It's a little bit tight. I'll get it. All right, see the tip there? It goes down to a narrow tip point, but it still has a wide base to it, so you can use it as a fine marker, or you can lean it to the side and have a little bit thicker marker as well. So that's what's cool about the tips on these markers. I hope this review helps.